All right, when it comes to maintaining your batteries, one of the biggest things you need to do is pull these caps off, look inside, and you'll see the water level. If you can't see water, get some distilled water and fill it up till it's just over the plates and not overfilled. You're going to want to do that probably once a month if you've got it plugged in all the time and if you're charging all the time, because the water will evaporate off of the acid, and you want to check each individual cap and make sure that each one is full. And you'll want to do that probably once a month if you're leaving it plugged in all the time, or once a month while you're traveling. Another tip with maintaining your batteries and your winter storage of your batteries: a fully charged battery will not freeze. But as the acid comes out of the solution, it'll turn into water. Water will freeze, crack batteries, and cost you a lot of money in the springtime. So you want to make sure your battery stays charged, either by running the engine, running the generator. If you're running a motorhome and you have a generator, you're going to want to maintain the generator as well by charging the batteries for half an hour or so and exercising the generator for half an hour. So you're going to kill two birds with one stone. You're going to exercise the generator, you're going to charge your batteries, and you shouldn't have any issues for the winter storage. If you're not in a position where you can run your generator or be plugged in all winter, you're going to pull one of the cables off of the batteries so that they're disconnected and it can't drain and it won't freeze.